Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a tad bit different than what I did in my first video. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you would know that we are in the middle of rebranding our website and everything like that. So if you click on the link in our bio, you will see that it will say Kamari Kloss coming soon. So this order that you see me making here, this was an order that was placed before we took down our website. So she just wanted something really cute and simple. She's not the type of person to have very long nails. She is actually a returning customer, which I'm very thankful for. And so she just wanted the short love set. These are actually going to be on our website once we relaunch and do that all over again. It's actually going to be available in extra long coffin, and the nails you see here. But aside from all of that, I just thought it would be a good video idea to at least post something today, since I haven't posted a video on my channel in a while. So yeah, so for the rest of this video, it's going to be really quick, and I'm just going to put some music on so you guys can chill out, watch the video. I will do a more detailed video on how I did these nails in another video later on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please click like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and let us know how you like the nails. clip of my Instagram account right here and my website if you're interested. If you want to buy some, let me know, and you can get some nails from me. Yeah, so this, I kind of wanted this YouTube channel to be separate from my normal business account, you know what I mean? Nails, how to do